What it do, Blooming fam? It's your girl Netta back with another video. And so yes, let's talk dread talk, okay? It's been a month in, and this is gonna be my 1 month review of my dread journey. I'm gonna keep it going. Y'all didn't see that, right? So I'm gonna keep it going, and so yeah, I love the dread experience so far. My edges is definitely growing back. This right here was definitely bald not too long ago, a few weeks ago. And my hair is growing, getting thicker. Yes, God is good, you hear me? The things that I've been doing is just drinking water and greasing my scalp. So I try like twice a day or one a day whenever I can get to it. I wrap my hair up at night, and I'm trying to stay away from those cotton wraps when I'm going to work and stuff. Y'all will see a picture of me wearing it because I'm trying to get through its ugly phase, which is really not the ugly phase. I'm just gonna call it the frizzy phase because you know, to each his own, but I don't think I'm ugly, okay? And you shouldn't think you're ugly either, okay? So yeah, ladies, let's do this. I hope you guys decide to dread up if you haven't already. And to each his own, like I said again, for this situation. If you don't dread up, that's fine too. Everybody hair growing different ways, okay? I was natural before this and my hair was growing, but I just couldn't keep up with it. So to each his own. That's my third time saying it. And I probably won't say it no more, but try not to. But yeah. So yeah. Let's get in this. And let me say that I twist my own hair. I do my own dreads, okay? I have done my own dreads from the very beginning, and I think I'm going to keep doing them. It's just something very satisfying to me about it. I've done my hair multiple times. So with that being said, you guys know that I did not follow the regular dread routines that I looked up. Some people say wash your hair after a month. Some people say you twist your hair, you know, after like a month or 2 to 3 months, depending on your hair type. Okay, so this is the dealio. I wash my hair within the first 3 weeks. And that's just because I twisted my hair with Murray beeswax, and it was just too thick and too, you know, tacky, so I had to wash it out, which was a good wash. You guys see that picture. And then I retwisted my hair after 3 to 4 weeks. Why? Because no, after 3 weeks, because I work and I had to go to the South Florida Fair. You guys should know what that is, some of you guys. And I couldn't go out there looking neat. Okay, so full disclaimer, I did not know that. Well, I didn't know. Sorry for the half head shots, okay? Sorry about that. It's that way because right when I was uploading the pictures, my whole 1 month album of my jazz, I somehow, they wouldn't upload because I had to get a new phone recently. They wouldn't upload. They still had the eye with the circle and the thing. I guess it was on iCloud or whatever. And then, yeah, I went to go do something and then I should have did nothing. And I lost all the pictures, but I had happened to make an iMovie with the pictures before actually setting it to just the regular full size. So y'all gonna enjoy these pictures, okay?
track.